Hey, Super Nintendo. Wonder what they're playing. A game with Mario wearing a bucket on his head. What game is that? It's not Super Mario Brothers. What is this? A game with Mario wearing a bucket on his head. I know this game. What could it be? No bucket. No bucket. Oh, that definitely has no bucket. No bucket there. No bucket there. No bucket on that one. You can put a bucket on Mario Paint. That doesn't have a bucket. There we go. That's a bucket. Mario and Wario. You'd be forgiven if you don't recognize Mario and Wario. It's a Japanese exclusive of the Super Famicom, and the entire game is in English. It's a straightforward point-and-click platformer using the Super Famicom Mouse. You control Wanda, a fairy, who guides either Princess Peach, Mario, or Yoshi through a maze to get to Luigi. Wanda is needed since at the beginning of each level, Wario puts a bucket over the character's head. Gameplay looks simple. However, with harder modes and advanced levels, Mario and Wario proves challenging in its high replayability. Wanda can make blocks appear or disappear, vanquish enemies, or change the direction of the main character. Different blocks have various attributes which add to the puzzle. Some stay materialized completely, some have a timer and disappear. You can vary the difficulty of the game by selecting the speed of your character. Princess Peach for slow, Yoshi for high, Mario somewhere in the middle. You can also set the speed of the mouse, either low or high. I prefer high speed as I think that allows you to move around the screen quickly enough to not only build or remove blocks, but also take care of any enemies that may be in your way. You see we have 8 levels to begin with. When you complete all 8, then that'll open level 9 and eventually level 10. And there is a bonus level to select from as well. Even today, Mario and Wario is a lot of fun to play. And when you think about it, 1993 when this was released, it probably blew a lot of people's minds because we didn't have a lot of Nintendo Mouse games. There's only maybe 3 or 4 dozen games that take advantage of the Super Nintendo Mouse. And at that time in the early 90s, a lot of people really didn't use a mouse. Their computer might not have had a graphical user interface to take advantage of mouse inputs. So games like this are really great for young children to work on hand-eye coordination, using the mouse, moving it around the screen, taking care of enemies or blocks, or moving the character around. I really think the developer Game Freak hit it out of the park on this one. It's a great game, probably one of my favorite mouse games for the Super Nintendo. But it is a Japanese exclusive, so you either need to have a Super Famicom or mod your SNES so that way you can play this game. You can pick it up at a reasonable price on eBay. Highly suggest you do. I think you're going to have hours and hours of fun playing this game. So that's going to wrap this video up. I think I might do some more short videos on little known or less talked about games. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Do you want to see more videos like this? Do you want to pick up Mario and Wario? Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe, tell your friends, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.